The yellow notepad has been around for a long time, and despite the rise of electronic notepads, it continues to enjoy widespread popularity.
They're quite popular.
But can the Kindle Scribe replace the yellow notepad?
You tell me.
In addition to being a great notepad, the Amazon Kindle also makes a great e-reader. On the screen, readers have access to annotation tools, as well as note-taking and list-making tools. What more could this tool possibly do to convince you to ditch your yellow notepad? Let's find out together.
Okay, I'm ready.
Unboxing. When it comes to transporting its goods, Amazon prefers to keep things simple. You can recycle the cardboard boxes, and the convenient rip tabs make them simple to open. When you open the package, the Scribe will be within a plastic sleeve for safekeeping. You can find the eUSB reader's cable and accompanying pen below it, along with the accompanying manual.
Wow!
Amazon's standard package does not include a power brick, so be sure you have one on hand.
Boy, all right, sure.
Writing/notebook. The Scribe has various advantages over using a pen and paper, making it the preferred writing instrument over the yellow notepad. You will never need to reload paper, change ink cartridges, or sharpen your pencils again. Making corrections is simple, eliminating the hassle of dealing with eraser dust and preventing you from getting ink or lead stains on your hands.
This is cool.
The Scribe was a dream to write about because of how effortlessly it operated. There is almost no lag, and as soon as I touched the nib of the pen to the screen, a mark appeared. The Scribe's screen had a matte feel and was sensitive, so sketching on it felt the same as drawing on paper. Amazon's premium pen has a dedicated eraser and quick access button at the top, but more to come on the stylus. The Scribe has constraints, much as the yellow notepad. Unfortunately, after you've jotted down any notes, you won't be able to go back and alter them on your mobile device or computer.
Bummer.
Amazon syncs them to the Kindle app as picture files, so although you can see them, you can't make any changes to them. It doesn't even have handwriting recognition to transform your scribble into language that a computer can understand, so you can't index your notes for subsequent keyword searching. That said, it's still a fun gadget despite the flaw.
Yeah, that's true.
The Scribe will become your favorite notebook for keeping track of all your various lists, from grocery lists to vacation itineraries. Note that the Kindle Scribe's doodling capabilities aren't limited to just making a journal. It's also possible to make notes on an e-book reader. However, it's not as if you can make notes right on the screen of your electronic books. Make a sticky note with the help of the floating toolbox, and then sketch within the given area. Any writing you did on the sticky note disappears when you shut it, while the symbol it was connected to remains visible above the relevant word. Screen and pen. Obviously, the Scribe's primary distinction from standard Kindles is its pen capability. There are two options to choose from. The more expensive one includes a shortcut and an eraser button.
Wow.
Both pens may be attached magnetically to the device's side and don't need batteries. The premium model is a very pleasant stylus to grasp and use. The eraser at the end is a nice bonus, and the pointed tip is perfect for finer details. Since it doesn't have an internal battery, it's also lighter than, for example, an Apple Pencil. Stay tuned for an in-depth comparison of the two devices in a forthcoming video. That being said, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Both the display and the stylus are incredibly sensitive, with your input being reflected practically instantly. Among the most lifelike sensations you will have with virtual writing, the latency is small. We shall share our reading experience, so don't leave us yet.
I'm not going anywhere.
Left-handed. It's understandable if, as a lefty viewing this video, you found yourself wondering whether the gadget supports your dominant hand. That is logical considering how right-handed users are seen using the device in the advertisements. The screen may be easily reoriented by simply turning the Scribe, since it, like other modern tablets and smartphones, has an inbuilt gyroscope. For those who write with their left hand, you can easily hold it in your right hand. E-reading. Before I go on to discuss the quality of the reading experience, I simply want to remark that manga is fantastic on this tablet.
Dude, this is so cool!
According to Amazon, with a 10.2 300 ppi glare-free paperwhite display, Kindle Scribe is perfect for reading and writing, even in direct sunlight. If you've used a newer Kindle, you'll know what to expect here. There is a huge selection of ebooks and audiobooks available for purchase on the device or via the Amazon website. It automatically updates itself, syncs with other devices through Wi-Fi, and stores books in a variety of formats, including text, graphics, and audio. When reading a book, the extra-large display is a great help. The Scribe is designed to be held with a single hand. It's a pleasure to read, and it really helps the book stand out. The huge screen is preferable to the iPad while reading comics and graphic novels from the combined Kindle and Comixology marketplaces. Simply said, no other Kindle compares to this one. It has some issues, but the many useful e-reader features more than make up for them. The Kindle is the best digital reading device on the market, and Amazon has perfected it. Amazon has promised that future updates would add additional note-taking functionality to the Scribe.
I see.
But you should only purchase what you can see and touch. So in the next months, we will see what unfolds. However, if you'd rather see a comparison of the Kindle to another digital e-reader than a traditional notepad, then click to watch our next video.